Good day everyone, I am Julian Segario and I am here to discuss the stages of development. So first is the prenatal development, conception to birth. So this stage starts when a sperm fertilizes an egg and ends at birth. So during a stage, nagsugod ang pagbuo sa zygote, which is 0 to 2 weeks. Ang zygote is a single cell that divides rapidly, and nisunod ang embryo, which is 3 to 8 weeks. Basic body system and organs began to form. And next is the fetus, which is 9 weeks to birth. So ang fetus is growth continues, organs develop and start to function. And lastly is the baby grows from a single cell into a fully formed human, ready for life outside the womb. So there is a prenatal development. Dire nagsugod ang pagkabuo sa bata. Nagsugod sa zygote, embryo, fetus, antod, gipanganak. And the next development is the infancy, which is birth to 2 years. The first 2 years of life marked by rapid growth and learning. So during a stage sa infancy, magsugod nagkat-on ang bata og crawl, sit, stand, and eventually walk, and maka-recognize na sila people, objects, and mga panghitabo sa ilang palibot. And sa infancy, their babbling turns into the first word, and makasugod na sila istorya og mga simple sentences. And the next is the early childhood, 3 to 5 years. At this stage, often called the preschool years. So during a stage, mas makontrol na nila ang ilang movement like running, jumping, drawing, ang ilang uban pa nga mga skills. And there is our early childhood. Ang ilang vocabulary mas quickly na mo grows, and they can speak in full sentences, and they start learning to share. Anong makatuon na sila panghatag, and mag-start na sila dula sa uban mga bata, and kabalo na sila mo-express sa ilang feelings on sa ilang gibati. So the foundation for learning and social interaction are built here. And next is the middle childhood, 6 to 12 years. This stage called the elementary school years. So during a stage, ilang thinking is more logical and organized. Ang mga bata during a stage can solve problems and follow rules. And during a stage, ang mga bata is makauna na sila nga ang friendship become more important, and maka-understand sila sa teamwork, and ma-improve nila and ma-improve sab nila ang ilang coordination sa sports, writing, crafts, and ang ilang academic skills and self-confidence develop strongly at this stage. And the next is the adolescence, 13 to 18 years. The teen years, this is the time of big changes. So during a stage, nagsugod ang puberty, which is growth spurts and hormonal changes. Ang mga laki, matubuan ng kanang mga parehani, balbas, or ilang Adam's apple, matubo, and ang bae, magsugod ng dugon. And at this stage, the teens explores who they are, values and beliefs. And during a stage, ilang mood swing are common, and ang ilang peer influences mo increase, and mas abstract na ilang thinking and decision skills during a stage. So diri sa adolescence na stage, ang teens nagprepare na for independence and adult responsibilities. Jerlyn Tomadlas would continue the reportings. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is a continuation of our report titled The Stages of Development. So, we have early childhood starts in 19 to 29. This was establishing independency, career, and closer relationship. So, which means nga, at this age, at this stage of development nga magka-anam-anam na og matured ang mindset sa usa ka bata or usa ka human. The more sila nga naana sila yung mga realizations sa ilahang life, sa ilahang environment. And then diri na pod nga stages mag-start ang mga relationship or magka develop ang usa ka relationship between the girl and the boy. Diha na pod kuan ang relationship. And then this was age nga kanang mature na siguro ang mga mindset sa usa ka bata, usa ka teenage. Was a teenage nga mga years. So next we have middle adulthood, which 30 to 60 years old, continued career and family development, which focus on contributing to society. While in the middle childhood naman, middle adulthood, 30 to 60 years old, this was the stages nga mag-focus sila sa career, mag-focus sila sa ilang family, matured na gud siya kay since daghan naman sila lessons in life nga nakuha nila sa experiences nila sa ilahang mga naagian. And then this was the ages nga mag-focus na gyud sa ilahang mga priorities in life. Then lastly, we have late adulthood, 61 years plus up to till the death part, which was the reflection on the life and preparation for the end of life. So diri na gyud magkahinay ang like dawat na nila sa ilang kaugalingon, like nana sila yung mga lessons in life kay daghan ubay-ubay naman ang ilahang naagian through their life existence nga nagka-kuan sila diri sa kalibutan. So nagka-develop na more nga develop, the more pud sila nga murag tanggap na nila nga ay diri ra siguro tama na akong edad.
And that's the stages of development. Thank you for listening.